Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. Today I am going to show you in my guest powder bathroom how I do that really unusual floral, amazing I guess, arrangement over my window treatment. And I'll show you how I decorate the bathroom for Valentine's Day. So stay tuned and see how I'm going to make that window look very special. All right, what I have started with is right up here. I have this wooden box. Let's see if I can see it. Sorry about the noise. I have everything piled in here to get stepping in here. But I don't think you can see it very well. See, I have that wooden box up underneath here. Okay, and it is built, all right? It was here when we bought it. And I had painted it actually years ago, kind of that reddish color that I like. Then I put up this, it's plastic, but it looks like wrought iron. And I put that on there. And actually underneath it, I just added this lace. So let's get started from here on how we're gonna make it work. All right, next what I have used is from Walmart. They have this, at Christmas time, they had this, it's kind of sparse, but it's got a lot of interesting greenery on it of the green Christmas garland. And I just used one, and I just simply laid it over it and then kind of brought it around so it would kind of arch the window a little bit. And here is the shape beginning to take shape. I'm using it because it then will help hold all the other things I'm going to put up here. I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but I have now to that greenery added some more greenery, some like English ivy, and also some stuff that can represent grapevines. So now what you're seeing up here is just a lot of greenery. I think it looks a nice start to making this look correct. Alright, I know it's getting harder and harder to see things, but I now added some more just loose picks of, looks like the grapevine with a few of the grapes on them. See how it's layers and layers of things to start creating this look. And if I wanted to, I could leave it right now. That looks pretty cool, you know? But I like to take it a little bit over the top. This right here has a very Tuscan grapevine feel. Let's continue and see what we can make it look like. So you can see, I believe next, the twigs from my backyard. I just stuck them there so they kind of, I looked one for branches that was slightly arched, not just pure straight, so that I could angle them and create almost a heart shape that it's beginning to take on, slightly anyway. Now this I know you definitely cannot see, but what I did was at Hobby Lobby's, they have, it looks like branches with little curly curls on them. And they have tiny little red, I don't know what those are supposed to be, berries or just little bead-like things. I bought two of them and I put them out front and in front of just the branches from my yard. It doesn't do a whole lot to change the look, but it adds a little more extra texture that the tree branches actually does not give. All right, next what I have done is put in these little picks that I got from the Hobby Lobby that looks like the greenery is just starting to come out on the branches. Now sorry the lighting is different. I got a call from a friend of mine who had just recently had some surgery done and she needed me to help her with something. So I had to quit what I was doing and to go do the help with her. I'm praying she'll be fine. I think she will be, but she's at that stage where she doesn't feel good, you know. So hopefully she'll be fine. She's in my prayers. But I just wanted to show you this. Now this here, guys, is your beginning of what you can go from here and make it anything you want, depending on the season. You know, you've mostly seen it when I've made it amazing for Thanksgiving and Christmas, but let's start trying to figure out how to make this into something Valentine's. You know, from here, if you really wanted to, you could make it Tuscan and add a lot more grapes. Now, I have a few grapes in here. As you see, I added a couple of more of the Dollar Tree grapes. And they're just in there just for a hint of some other color and design. But this is the beginning shape. Let's continue from here. And we're gonna make it now, I think, look like Valentines. All right, next I'm gonna show you, I got these from Hobby Lobby at their 40% off. These are substantially big, and they are really going to make a difference. Let's see what they do. Okay, next you can see how I just placed those simply up there, and they're really starting to give a really pretty vibe of Valentine's. It looks cute so far. All right, next what I have added is just a few of these picks also from Hobby Lobby at their 40% off. And they're really sweet. Put them in the middle, and then I'm going to put a few more up. Let's see how it looks. All right, as you can see, I have up all of that, and it really has brought in a really neat look for Valentine's. I am not finished yet, though. All right, right in the middle from the Dollar Tree is those cute little heart that says love. Those are a little flashy and kind of cheesy looking to me, but I think up there for Valentine's, I think it has a cute look. All right, next what I did was just added a few of those cabbage roses. Aren't they beautiful? I think this really helped to make it into a very beautiful Valentine's looking window. I think it's pretty. All right, next, I just have them sitting on the toilet at the moment, but I'll show you where they're gonna go. We have a store here in town that's called Dee Dee's, and they have these pretty, really very pretty hand towels for $2.49 each. They're thick and they're really, really nice. All right, there is a hand towel put in place there, which is very pretty. And then we'll just take a look here like this. And then I have some hand towel right there. Isn't that very pretty? All right, what I'm doing now is showing you basically the rest of the bathroom just kind of empty-ish. Not a whole lot going on. Let's take it from here and see how beautiful we can make it. All right, on the back of the toilet, I just simply put back in there my candle holder. And those are the same candle holders that I had in here for Christmas. But now I'm using them for Valentine's Day. Isn't that very pretty? And then I found this pretty little love sign. I don't remember where I got it from, but it's sure cute just hanging there, bringing in a little bit of Valentine's love. All right, next in the window, I just simply put this beautiful little sign, Love Each Moment, that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think that was a year or two ago that I got it, so I don't know if they still have it or not. And then I just left the red candles in here that I used at Christmas. I think they're very pretty. And I put a spot of purple just for that added extra, really pretty Valentine's coloring. It's really starting to pull together. Very, very pretty. Now what I have done on my sink is just simply put my tray back that usually holds soap, and in it I just put this red heart vase, and in this vase I have put a heart and a couple of beautiful roses and another red rose at the bottom, just for the sake of looking very romantic and Valentine's feeling. Well, I had decided that it just needed a little bit more, so I just put another one of those red hearts there, which I think makes it pretty. And next to the hand soap pump, I also added some rose-scented hand cream for if you would really want to use some. So the sink is very, very pretty and not overly done. All right, guys, let's check out the finished look for this bathroom. How do you like that? Does that look Valentine's? I think it looks very charming. And I just love it. Love each moment. That is a philosophy to live by. And on the back of the toilet and on the sink and the towels, I think look very, very pretty. And even the rug, live, laugh, and love. Isn't this a pretty room? Sorry, I'm out in the hallway and I kicked a stool. But I think it's turned out very nice in there. So now let's look at it a little bit closer up with some music. Well, guys, I hope this has inspired you to make a charming, beautiful bathroom. And I know many of you have really loved this over-the-top floral arrangement that I always do over this window. And I just decided to show you how to do it. So I hope it has inspired you to figure out how to just create a really interesting look in your windows and your bathroom. And really, I didn't spend hardly any money on it. You know, it's just one of those where it is very pretty and just elegant. I get all the floral when they're 50% off or on clearance even more. And that's what they were. And the Valentine heart things were 40% off. So they're definitely worth it. And then, of course, the Dollar Tree. And the purple flowers came from the Dollar Tree. And all of these loose picks also from Hobby Lobby. So, you know, I think it's great. So, all of you, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. and you take care, and God bless, and happy decorating, and happy Valentines.